Fuck out of here, you dumb bitch. You know I'm pretty and I'm witty and I'm dumb rich. You throw shade, but I sun, bitch. And now you know what I'ma say. You my son, bitch.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do your brows, and I might do something else like tutorial wise, but for now I'm just gonna so first what you're gonna need is, of course, a brow pencil, and this is the one that I'm gonna use, and it's the LA Colors eyeliner. I'm using this one. And then you're gonna need some kind of concealer or foundation or something, because sometimes people don't really have their hands on everything. So I use this concealer, but I tried this concealer too from the dollar store, and it works really good. It's not concealer, it's foundation, but it's in color tan, and it's good for concealer. So you're gonna need a flat brush, and this brush I got from dollar store, I think. And then you're gonna need a angle brush like this. And also, it's really good that you have a spoolie, which is like the little spin brush for your brows, but I arch my brows, so I don't really need that. And I just pretty much wing it when it comes to my brows. So, and you're gonna need your foundation, because you want to be able to blend out your colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by just priming my face right above, like my right where my brows are. I'm gonna just prime my face. If I can find my primer. Okay, so to start this video, you want to use your brow pencil first. So let's pretend that I already primed my face because I can't find my primer. But take this off. And this one, it spins out like this. So let me get my mirror because I want to be like in range. I always have to get my mirror so I'll be able to see, and y'all be able to see. So okay, I think that's better. Okay, so first you want to start off by just rubbing your brows this way. And you're just gonna take that liner or pencil, whatever you have, and you're just gonna fill in the sparse hairs. So just fill in those hairs. Now make sure that you're not going all the way up here, because that's a no. You don't want to do that. So just take that pencil or liner or whatever, and you just go in those little areas. And you can go up with it. So it'll be like hairs. Because the hairs on your brows go upward. And then you just want to line the bottom. Make sure you do this with a light hand. You don't have to draw like it's a marker, but and then you want to line the top. But when you line the top, just line it to about right here. And I'm gonna show you guys why in a minute. Y'all, these things are cheap, so
don't say a word. Just come over here. I got something I gotta do tonight. Listen.
Okay, so I'm gonna finish this and I'll finish the other brow. Just line it to about. Guys, I know I look crazy, okay? But just trust the process, alright? Okay, so next, now that you're done with that brow pencil, put that down. You don't need it no more. But you just want to make sure that you outline your brows. So I'm going to take my concealer and put a little bit on my hand. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to rub that concealer in my brush. I'm just going to pat it into my brush. And then you want to go underneath your brows first. And make sure you're taking your time with this. And if you plan on doing eyeshadow, you might want to wing it out above your eye, because you can blend it out like that. And on the other side, I'm just gonna do the same thing. And then on the top, you're just gonna line the top.
Something about that sexy skin you in. Your clothes don't do you justice, so come out of them. Baby, take that off so I can break you off and give you love.
Okay. So now for the most important part is blending out your brows. So I always blend out my concealer first, and then I always fade it out like the top part, like the middle right here. So first you want to blend out this concealer all the way around your brows. So you're just going to take a blending brush, a brush that looks like this, or you can take a fluffy brush. Or you can take a fluffy brush like this and blend it out. Make sure that there's no eyeshadow. So you want to make sure that you're blending out this concealer really, really good. So just go up under your brow, as closest to your brow as possible. And just like with your eyeshadow, you want to make sure that you're blending it in a circular motion.
Up a little bit more. Mama always told me to be careful who I love. And Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so I decided to write. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it.
I know I gotta use a brow, y'all. So now I would suggest for beginners to use a beauty blender. Make sure you damp your beauty blender. Blend down that concealer. blend that out all over your forehead. That's going to get rid of your halo brow. So what I always do, I leave my brows just like this, and I always take a powder. It could be like a contour powder. It could be like this color, preferably this color, as you can see that color. Or use like your powder that you powder your face with, this color. Or a brow palette, like an eyeshadow brow palette. I use the Morphe brow palette when I do my brows, so I always take this powder right here and I just dip my brush in it. And then I just take it and blend out my brows. You want to blend out those harsh lines so that it won't be like super harsh. You want it to look like natural in the beginning. So blend that powder into your brows. So you're gonna blend out those harsh lines. And as you can see, they look more natural. So you just want to take it right here, right where those lines were, and blend it out. So then you're going to take the same brush that you used to blend out your concealer, and you're just going to blend out that Make sure you don't have no unibrow. So I'm going to take a little bit more of that powder and I'm going to put it right here. So I have completely blended out my brows, and I've already faded out the beginning of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more like shadow, just to darken up the right here, because you want to make sure there's light right here and then it goes darker, it fades out darker. So you want to take a little bit of black eyeshadow. I know what you're thinking. Black eyeshadow is like no. But you're only going to use it right here in the very, very tail of your brow. I don't know what that is, but you're just gonna put that right there in the tail. Just in the tail. As you can see, it makes your brows look super defined. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So just in the tail. And as you can see, my brows look super defined now. And that's how you want them to look. If you want your brows to be on fleek, you might want to start doing these steps. So I'm just going to add a little bit more up here. But you want to take this powder very, very, very sparsely. You don't want to just go in and start putting black powder everywhere, because it's going to pretty much mess up your brows. So you just want to take that powder and you just put it right there. As you can see, my brows look popping now. So